Welcome to this podcast, Design Your Life. My name is Erwin Meja. I'm a designer and entrepreneur. If you are interested by design, skills and investment, you are in the right place. I'm here to help you to reach the next level, the next skills. Today, let's review the principles of product design, process and development. As an industrial designer, it's very important to understand the 10 principles of product design process. From the concept to launch, let's get started. Number 1. Development phases. This phase includes formulation of the design problem, the development decision. For these steps, it is important to define a design and product policy. Here we find the strategy of the company as well as the product's specifications. Number 2. General analysis. This phase includes analysis of the use of the product, environmental analysis. In this step, we found the aesthetic trends and finally the marketing studies. Number 3. Analysis of competing products. This phase includes analysis of requirements and performances of use. In this step, we found the functional specifications of use, as well as the choice of orientation. Number 4. Exploration of research avenues and conceptualization of principal solutions. This phase includes creative research, design and marketing. For the technical aspect, it's necessary to define and make choice on the components. At this stage, it's interesting to make schematic drawings of the principle. And finally, it's necessary to evaluate and choose the best solutions. Number 5. Development of new concepts, deepening of solutions. Here, the company realizes first drafts, then it tests and evaluates different projects. It's a stage of decisions, new choice, and modifications. Number 6. Final design and layout. This phase includes evaluation of aesthetic qualities, rapid prototyping, studies and development of the prototype. Here we found the technical studies, formal details, textures, colors, and final design. At this stage, we make the 3D models for the technical aspects. It is possible to modify the model and prototypes. For this stage, it is important to protect the concept or product with several patents. Number 7. Detailed study and technical development. This phase includes studies and technical components, connection and assembly technicals, detailed specification of the future project. Important. Here we have the technical studies of manufacturing as well as the studies of the finishing processes to realize final prototype. Number 8. To the production launch. In this phase, we found the manufacturing studies, then to build the final product. Here we found the standards, conformities, controls, and specifications. Number 9. Commercial launch. This phase includes visual identity and product branding, important information about the product, packaging and instruction for use, product display at the point of sale, commercial notice and catalogs. Finally, the website. And number 10. In this phase, we have the feedback of commercial product users and consumers' experiences. If you have any question about the product design process, design, skills and investment, don't forget to comment below. See you next time guys. Bye bye.